So yeah guys, we have a breaking news. The Jumpin Astro is gone. So I have no idea why it's gone. Maybe it's gone for maintenance or something, but I don't think it's going to be back for the rest of the season looking at it. The only thing that remains is currently the top section and the gondolas. I have no idea where the rest is gone. So at the moment, as you can see, you might be able to see they're testing the lights for the Beast, but I was certainly not expecting to come to Portrush on the sunny day and see the Jumpin Astro gone. I remember earlier when I was coming in seeing a crane, but that's now gone. So yeah, they're testing the Beast now. Just been watching it now for the past while, and looks to now be running such a really good cycle. Yet it's now going back up to the top again. So that wraps up today's video in Portrush. Now I won't be down in Curry's for a while, and currently the place is closed and won't be opening till 12. So I'll just have to leave it here. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.